Hello tiny tyros, welcome.
This is a balloon helicopter needing only 4 items in total. What you need is an A4 sheet, balloon, straw and a clip. Other than that you would need a scissor and a thread. You have to fold the paper so that you will make a square out of it, which I am doing here. Cut it at that specific place so that you will get the square that you need. We have a square here. Fold it at the diagonal ends. And then see to it that all the diagonals are properly in shape at the edges. Now cut each edge at the half to the half. So make sure that you will cut it in half because that will be required for the fan. This fan will be attached to the balloon and the straw so that the balloon will be in the air for a prolonged period of time. So fold it on the inside, each alternate edge. First one, the second one, the third alternate edge and the fourth one. You can use a glue or tie them up with a thread, or you can make a hole with a pencil and then put a straw to that hole. Make sure that this side that you are seeing here is on the upper end, because that is where the air will flow with, and then the fan will be able to rotate. You can use any type of straw, not just this one. So here we have a straw and the fan. The fan should be at one end of the straw. Now at that specific end attach a balloon to it. We'll be blowing the balloon through the other end of the straw, which we will get to. Tie that balloon with a thread or a band or whatever that you have. Make sure that air doesn't go out. That's all. Here we have 2 clips. You can use anything in there to stop the fan from going down when it is flying in the air. Now blow air through the other end of the straw. You see? You can play with it now. Nice catch.